Hello boys and girls and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking a little bit about health insurance. We are going to be answering 5 basic questions on health insurance. Now what is health insurance? Very simply put, if ever you fall sick and you have to pay your bills is where health insurance swoops in. It is a protection instrument. Like all of us know, financial instruments are classified into investment instruments and protection instruments. Health insurance falls in the second category. Why is it required? We already know about the uncertainties that we have in the world today. We live in a completely VUCA world where our jobs are uncertain, our health status is uncertain, and the rise of lifestyle ailments and infectious diseases is on the rise. So we need to make sure that we are protected financially against any of these conditions impacting us. How do we purchase this policy? We can look at online options and offline options. Online, we of course have various web aggregator sites, we have various booking sites. Policybazaar.com and 5paisa.com are the sites that all of us are familiar with. We can go and research a lot of the products online. Now, what do you mean by research? You can compare products from different companies. You can look at the features of these companies. You can look at which company is offering what, compare it against competition, and then decide the best for yourself. It could vary depending on your age, depending on which city you live in, and depending upon what is your current health status. For whom do we buy this? We technically are allowed to buy this product for our immediate family members, which includes our parents, our spouse, and our children. Depending on the product that you choose, you might either be allowed to bundle all of them in one policy or buy 2 separate policies to cover both of them. And I'd just like to stress on 2 additional points on the why side. Which is why is this required? Salaried professionals often ask why. I'm already covered with insurance from my employer. Do I need to buy any additional cover? The answer to this question is a big fat yes. We all know that our jobs today are highly uncertain, and hence it is important that we are adequately covered against any kind of health emergency. At least financially we are covered. Hence it makes sense that we take an additional either a full-fledged insurance or at least a top-up. What a top-up does is gives you a little bit of a room where your employer can possibly pay your bills, and then any amount that is over and above that can be covered by a top-up policy. And lastly, do make sure that you do your research online, you understand the products, the benefits of the products that you buy. And also another thought that I want to leave you with is, in any case, if you are not sure of the product, or if you are not sure of what you want to buy, you anyways can avail the free cancellation policy which insurance companies offer. So if you're not satisfied with the product that you've purchased, you can return the product and ask for your money back in the 15 days in 15 days of the receipt of the hard copy. So do try the product, do check out, do try and research, do speak to people, your friends and family, do speak to your advisor, your financial advisor, and make a wise choice. If you think that I've added value, do keep liking my videos, sharing my videos, and do subscribe to my channel. This is Gayatri signing off till my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.